Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Instagram broadcast channels. So if you have lots of broadcast channel on your Instagram and you don't know how to use it, then this video is absolutely for you. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to just simply open up Instagram application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the Instagram application on your mobile phone, you have to just simply go to the top right corner of message button here. So in the message button, you have guys can see lots of sections. So here is the first is one is the primary section. You guys can see all the primary chats here. So in the general section, you will be able to see only the general profiles or general chats here. So in the channel section, you will be able to see the broadcast. So what you have to do is just simply go to the channel section, and here is the broadcast channel which I have already joined. So in order to use that, you guys can see I have opened it. So what you guys can do is you guys can just simply tap on the profile of name of that broadcast channel, and you guys can just simply search something from your that specific broadcast channel, or you guys can mute the channel by just hitting the mute button, or you guys can just simply go to the options and simply leave it if you want to leave the broadcast channel. If you want to invite your friends or family to this broadcast channel, you have to simply click on this invite link and simply go to copy, or you guys can just simply send it to someone if you want to send outside, or if you want to add it to story, you guys can just simply tap on share to story, and your broadcast link will be shared to your story Instagram. So if you want to make a QR code and you want to send to someone, you guys can also make QR code, or if you can just simply share outside the Instagram like WhatsApp, or if you want to send someone to Telegram or Imo, so you guys can just simply hit the share button, and here you guys will be able to share your broadcast channel invite link. So if you want channel controls, you guys just simply select this option, which is channel control. Just simply select this option and make adjustments. If you want to go back, and you guys can here just scroll down or scroll up to see your broadcast channels content. So if you want to react any of the content, you have to simply hold down that specific chat. You guys can see the reactions will be open to you. You guys can just simply select any of the reaction according to your needs, or you guys can just simply hold on the message and simply share if you want to share that specific message, or if you want to copy that specific message or post, you guys can just simply hit the copy button, or you guys can report by just tapping on the report button. So here you guys can see it has presented a poll as a post. So you guys can also vote on the poll by just tapping on vote button, and you guys can just simply select any of the option and simply click on submit, and you guys can see in this way you guys can make comments, or you guys can make votes on your broadcast channel. So if you want to be notified, you have to tap on top right corner of notification button, and simply tap on that. You guys can just simply mute it for a specific time or for every time. So I hope this will be okay to you. You guys can now use broadcast channel in your Instagram. If you want to create it, you have to just simply go back, simply go to the top right corner of compose button, and here you guys can be able to see there is no a broadcast button because I have not created a professional profile. In order to create a broadcast channel, you have to just simply switch your account to professional type. So if you want to create your account to professional type and you don't know how to do it, you guys can just simply see my last videos in which I have tried to teach you how you can create professional account. So after creating a professional account, you will be able to see here the broadcast channel. So you have to simply click on create a broadcast channel, simply add the members and simply add the name of your broadcast channel, and that's you are good to go. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.